Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload your videos to Filmora Cloud. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my Wondershare Filmora application on my PC. And if you want to get Filmora Cloud storage, you need to sign up to Filmora with your Google account. And here I have already logged in with my account on Filmora. And we will get 1 gigabyte for free guys, so we can upload our video to the storage. Okay, and here after you have logged into Filmora, you can go to the Filmora Cloud. Okay, and as you can see that I have 1 gigabyte storage and it's free. And if you want to upload video to this storage, we just need to click on upload, and these are the videos I have uploaded to Filmora Cloud. I'm going to upload media. You can also upload your project to the Filmora Cloud guys, and for me I'm just going to upload this video. Okay, and yeah, now the video has been uploaded. Okay, if you want to upload your project, just select project and then you can upload it, but I have no Filmora project. Okay guys, and that's all the way to upload our videos to Filmora Cloud. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.